Listen, we need to have a talk. It's not your fault, but listen, things aren't getting better. They're getting worse. Every morning I try to make it work and it's just so rough now. I can't keep doing this with you. Listen, I think you should leave. I don't think you should be here anymore. I've found someone else, and I can't have you here when she gets here. I just need you to leave, okay? You can't be here. She's coming, and when she gets here, you are not supposed to be here. So leave. Listen, we tried our best, okay? We lasted forever, but it's not enough anymore. It's not. I mean, there's so many things wrong, and I don't know how to fix them. I don't know how to fix you. Listen, we had some good times, but it's time for something new, something better, something more improved. This old coffee maker. Listen, baby, you were amazing, but it's time to get something more, something better. I'm sorry. Listen, this hurts me as much as it hurts you. I'm dumping you. Oh yeah, this bad boy. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, look at this thing. This thing's massive. This is exciting. I'm so excited. Baby, you can't play with that. You'll die. No, you can't play with this. See, Father of the Year award. Get out of there, dude. Why is it so hard? Okay, there we go. I can't believe I had that old one for like 6 years, okay? Since I moved out of my parents' house, I've had that one. That old raggedy ass Black & Decker coffee maker. It's so good to upgrade. This thing's beautiful. This thing is beautiful, dude. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Locked. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is more complex of a machine than I've ever had. Stop, drip, go. Drip, stop, drip, go. Look at this. It tells the time. Oh my god. You travel. Got that multi-serve. Half, full, 1 cup, 1 big cup. Do classic rich over ice brew, specialty non-concentrated, cafe forte, clean, stay warm. Oh my gosh, dude. I am so excited. Brindley, are you excited? Look at her. She's so excited. She just wants to get up here. You want to come see the new coffee maker? Oh, you want to see the new coffee maker? You like the new coffee maker? Dude, I got so excited. I went Hulk on this box and like ripped it in half. I know this video is supposed to be about the coffee maker, but there's so many utilities for like cardboard. Like watch. I'm a homeless person. Oh. What was that? Did I break something? Or dude, like I could be like, you know, like a boat. I'm trying to get to safety. Oh, come on. Gotta get there. Oh. Dude, who needs walking when you got sliding? Dude, with this cardboard, I could be a hide and seek master.
Austin, where did you go? Is it in here? No. In Brandley's room. Not in there. The office, maybe. Oh, still. Wow, that's a crazy swing. I don't know if that's to find him. Huh? Oh, I swear someone was out. I thought I heard someone knocking. No.
And just like that.
Whoa, where'd you come from, man?
Hide and seek master, dude.
You're behind that box?
Yeah, dude, cardboard.
Dude, I couldn't have guessed.
See? That's all you, dude, so many uses of cardboard. So, I need to put the coffee in here. Okay. Should we go with vanilla nut? Or French toast? Roast. Did I say toast?
I said toast.
French roast. And I put that back there. This is where water goes, right? Okay, need water. And we use purified water, none of that sink water where the dishes get clean. Just give me 1 second. I put my finger in it, it's contaminated. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna make my coffee a little stronger. There we go. Okay. And then let's see, power on. Alright, now we're doing a full one. Actually, let's do a half. Half is our first one, okay? This is so cool. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Bam, 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 bam. That's so cool. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Do a little dance while they go.
Go get the cardboard.
My body. Okay, call the police. Ow. Oh. I'm suing Ninja. just like that, your coffee is done and ready to serve. Look at this. Oh no, stop the drip. There we go. Oh, look at this mug. Ready?
Oh.
What?
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, ready? Dude, it smells so good. Oh my god. It really tastes so much better. I've been drinking shit coffee for the last like 6 years. Whoa. So if you are wondering, is Black & Decker coffee maker as good as the Ninja? It is not. The Ninja is far superior in every way, including price. You know, this costs a big budget, okay? That's what hard work and dedication gets you. Well, until next time. I don't know what to say. Alright, see you later, guys.